Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to highlight text in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have a data. Simply select the entire data, press the Ctrl G and here go to dialog box is open. Then click on the spatial and in here click on the constants option and you can see there are some option here showing. Untick the option you don't want to highlight. So I just untick here numbers. Okay, and logicals and errors. Okay, only the tick only text option. So here I'm going to highlight the text only. So after that click on OK and here you can see only the text is selected here. Then go to the home tab. In font group click on the field color option and here select the color you want to highlight. So I select here the orange. That's it. Here you can see you can easily highlight text in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.